Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to install Only app on your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, or if you have the Steam launcher, game launcher on your computer, just go ahead and open that. So now just go ahead if you are using your browser, you can go ahead and search for Only app game. So here, just go ahead and click on the first link. And if you are using your Steam game launcher, just go ahead and search for Only app. So as you can see, you need to pay for a price to get or to install the game. Okay? So just go ahead and log in your Steam account, and if you don't have one, just go ahead and create one. Okay? So now what you need to do is to just go ahead once you've logged in your account, pay for the price, okay, and just go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction. So once you've paid for the game, what you need to do is just go ahead and start installing the Only app on your Steam account. Okay, so just go ahead and wait for the installation, and after the installation, you can now start playing Only app on your computer. Okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.